Hello and welcome to Triplo AI. My name is Felipe. I'm one of the co-founders. I decided to record this quick start video to help you start using Triplo AI right away. I'm assuming that you already have downloaded, installed, and activated your Triplo AI. If you didn't, pause the video here and get to welcome.triplo.ai and follow the steps there so you can start using it. Without further ado, let's start with the core value of Triplo AI. It must be available for you anywhere on your system. So when you hit your hotkey, you get Triplo AI on your screen, on your browser, on your word processing tool, on your coding IDE, on your spreadsheets. It must be there anywhere, anytime, for anything you want. Let's start with the simplest possible thing, an open prompt. So now I'm on my word processing tool and I want to write a blog post about Apple. I'm going to ask AI, suggest me a blog post structure about Apple. And then AI starts generating the structure of a blog post about Apple. And you can check the content that was generated right on your screen. And let's assume that you liked it and you want to use on your word processing tool, your WordPress, whatever it is. You can copy it and paste. And this is the first way to use Triplo AI. But there's also a second method of using Triplo AI. You can prompt directly on any text field of your desktop. You can head here, for example, and say, I want to convert this structure into paragraphs. What I'll do, I would add Triplo O. This is the trigger. And I would directly prompt AI here. I would say, turn these sentences into a pair of paragraphs. And I would select what I want AI to act on and copy. And once I did that, you heard a pop. This pop indicates that AI is not working. And when you hear second pop, it's ready. All you need to do is paste it. And then you have the paragraphs as introduction based on that structure that AI shared earlier. Let's do it again, just for